Step outside on a clear night, and the sky feels crowded with stars, almost like they're packed just beyond our reach. It looks like space is full, dense, and close. But that feeling couldn't be more misleading. We naturally think of stars as neighbors, scattered just outside our solar system like lights in a distant city. They shine so brightly and fill the sky in every direction. It makes the universe feel smaller than it really is. But here's the real question. Why is Proxima Centauri the closest star to Earth, and not any of the countless others we can see? To answer that, we need to zoom far beyond Earth, and even beyond our solar system. Our Sun is just one star among hundreds of billions in the Milky Way galaxy. But these stars aren't evenly packed, they're separated by enormous distances. Even though the Milky Way looks like a glowing band across the sky, that's just our perspective from inside it. In reality, most of space between stars is empty. Our solar system happens to sit in a relatively quiet, less crowded region of the galaxy. Proxima Centauri is part of a small stellar group known as the Alpha Centauri system. While two of those stars orbit closely together, Proxima Centauri sits slightly farther away, and just happens to be the nearest one to us, at about 4.24 light-years away. Now, that might sound close, but a light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year, about 9.46 trillion kilometers. That means even the closest star beyond our Sun is separated from us by an almost unimaginable gap. To really picture this, imagine shrinking the Sun down to the size of a grain of sand. On that scale, the nearest star would still be several kilometers away. That's how empty space truly is. So how did Proxima Centauri end up being the closest? Stars are born in clusters from massive clouds of gas and dust. Over millions of years, gravity and motion slowly pull them apart, sending them drifting across the galaxy. As these stars move, their distances from each other constantly change. Right now, in this moment of cosmic time, Proxima Centauri just happens to be the closest star to our solar system, but that won't always be true. Millions of years from now, another star could drift closer while Proxima Centauri moves farther away. The idea of a near star is actually temporary, constantly changing as the galaxy evolves. This reveals something incredible. The universe isn't tightly packed like it looks from Earth. It's vast, mostly empty, and constantly in motion. So that crowded sky you see every night isn't really crowded at all. It only appears that way because of distance and perspective. In reality, even our closest stellar neighbor is unbelievably far away, separated from us by a cosmic ocean of emptiness. And that changes everything. The stars above aren't just nearby lights, they're distant suns, each existing in its own isolated corner of space. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. What feels close is actually incredibly far, and what looks crowded is mostly empty space. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.